also giving that other no score. Target was 280 runs is a target, but you make it very easy for his team. 280 runs is not.
Aklıma takıyor. Evet. Bırakalım. After ball from the match, nunca mais.
Ele precisa de top, sei que assim, bem technical problem toda.
Na vez da isto aí orga central guru, seguro.
Again, good shot played by the batsman Mohammad Akif for 4.
Dat is bal game ever. Ja, dat is een maar gelijk extra.
130 runs for the loss of one. Mohammad Akif is on strike. Oh, there's an appeal here. Very good delivery. The bowler is not happy with the decision of the umpire. Umpire refuses this decision.
Na bola já para lá. Vamos bater no cara.
Now Shaukat is on bowling mark. The batsman on strike is Ejaz Khaki. गेंदबाजों को रोकना होगा इस बल्लेबाज एजाज खाकी को because he is very dangerous for heavy blaster सियाल. यो दिना मोबाइल this is wide given by the umpire. Latif Kashmiri over network. Thank you Mushtaq Dar Sahab. Thank you Latif Kashmiri Sahab for joining us. This is very poor signal here. I am very sorry for this. The score on board. This is great shot again played by the batsman. Only a single here. Great fielding at the end by the fielder. The score on board is 116 for the loss of one. This is Shaukat Malik to the batsman Mohammad Akif. He is on 29 and Khaki Ejaz. He is on non-strike and he is on 78. Shaukat Malik. Oh, very well shot played by the batsman. This is 6 for the batsman Khaki Ejaz. This is ball. धंधनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 6 रन खाकी एजाज के बल्ले से. The score moves to 122 for the loss of one. Dina, खाकी एजाज is batsman. Ejaz is batsman. Yes, you're Akif. Actually, Akif, you're. Now they need only 102 runs in 64 deliveries. This is Kotari. The two batsmen take a single here. This is great running by the two batsmen between the wickets. The score moves to 123 for the loss of one. Shaukat Malik again to the batsman Mohammad Akif. He is on 29. Oh, this is wide delivery. Missed by wicketkeeper. Also buys 4 runs for YCCL. These are important runs for YCCL. The score moves to 128 for the loss of one. Now they need only 90 runs in 63 deliveries. This is a great partnership. 128 runs in 55 deliveries between Mohammad Akif and Khaki Ejaz. Shaukat Malik again, the batsman wants to hit this ball. At the end, this is no run. The score remains on 128 for the loss of one. Shaukat Malik again good delivery. This is that ball given by the umpire. Today very well played by Khaki Ajaz. He's on 85 in 31 deliveries. Can he make his century today? Before this, he also make a century here. Shaukat Malik again good shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua सीमा रेखा से पार 4 रन मोहम्मद आकिब के बल्ले से. The score moves to 132 for the loss of 1 after 9.5 overs. Now they need only 86 runs in 61 deliveries. This is high voltage match between the two teams, the two big teams of this tournament. YCC Yal versus Epic Blaster Shoots. Shaukat Malik, he is on his last delivery to the batsman Mohammad Akib. He is on 33. He also plays very well luck. Again good delivery. Since end of 9 overs, 10 overs, the score is 132 for the loss of 1. Khaki Ajaz, he is on 85 with the help of 7-4 and 9 huge 6. This is great knock today by Khaki Ajaz. YCC lost only 1 wicket in the shape of Mehdi Hussain in the first over, but after the loss of first wicket, this is a good partnership between the two, Mohammad Akib and Khaki Ajaz. Now they need only 86 runs in 60 deliveries. Ana trade ball. Ana trade ball. मैं trade पास किया. आप लोग कैसे?
Finale Khanas Yalas. Sponsored by Imran Pare. We Medina Medical Yal.
Paga same पे लोग
Imran Pare Yal Medina Medical Yal.
Paga सोचते इंशाल्लाह ब्रोटी टिंडो थे जो बनाए सी टिंडो कालो होता Now 86 runs in 60 deliveries need YCCL. This is great knock today played by Khaki Ajaz. He is very dangerous batsman of YCCL. Before this, I already tell you that he is one of the batsmen. He can change everything. If this batsman will be sitting here, everything will be possible for YCCL. He is a dangerous, powerful batsman for YCCL Khaki Ajaz. यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर के लिए पानी का वक्फा आप लाइव स्ट्रीम में बने रहे. The team who win this match, they will qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup played at Chukatulba ground. और नेटवर्क के लिए हम आपसे माजरत का है. Sim, nós conseguimos. थोड़ी देर के लिए पानी का वक्फा. अब इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़े बने रहे. Now they need only 86 runs in 60 deliveries. Great batting by Ajaz Khaki and Mohammad Akib. The partnership is on 132 runs in 58 deliveries. Oh, here's a chance of a catch. This is well tried by the fielder. अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा, एक अच्छी ट्राई की यहाँ पे फील्डर ने. Also, this is a great fielding at the end by the fielder Shaukat Malik. Oh, again good shot played by the batsman Khaki Ajaz. Ball raised to boundary. धनधनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से पार 4 रन खाकी एजाज के बल्ले से. He moves to 89 runs. The partnership moves to 136 in 59 deliveries. Shaukat Ahmed again to the batsman Khaki Ajaz. Oh, again good delivery. The two batsmen take a single here. This is great running, good running between the wickets between Mohammad Aqib and Khaki Ajaz. The partnership moves to 136 in 61 deliveries. The total target given by Epic Blaster 218 runs. But this is great knock today by the two batsmen Khaki Ajaz, and now Mohammad Aqib plays very well shot. धंधनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से पार 6 रन खाकी एजाज के पल्ले से. He moves to 95 in 35 deliveries. Can he complete his century? This is good knock played by the batsman Khaki Ajaz. He's on 95. He need only 5 runs to complete his century. Shaukat Ahmed again to the batsman Mohammad Aqib. Very well delivery by Shaukat Ahmed. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicket keeper. Thank you, Dar Yasin Saf, for joining us in this live broadcast. Due to some technical issue, I'm very sorry for this. This is Shaukat Ahmed again to the batsman Mohammad Aqib. Third delivery. No runs score remains on 143 for the loss of 1. Akatito ji. Kian. क्या होती है ना. सिग्नल वीक होने की वजह से हम आपसे माजरत का है. अकातीतो जी. कुंतो जी आगे. Khaki Ajaz, he's on 90 runs. Now Arshid is on his second over. Oh, again good shot played by the batsman Khaki Ajaz. धंधनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से पार 6 रन खाकी एजाज के पल्ले से. The score moves to 149 for the loss of 1. This is great batting by the batsman Khaki Ajaz. He moves to 96. He needs 4 runs to complete his century. He is very dangerous, powerful cricketer of YCCL. Before this, I already tell you that the batsman Khaki Ajaz is very dangerous. If he will stay in this match, this will be possible. Everything will be possible for YCCL. The total target 218 runs. Now they need only 69 runs in 53 deliveries. Khaki Ajaz, he needs 4 runs to complete his century. Arshid is on his falling mark again. To the batsman Khaki Ajaz, he is on 96. Again good delivery by Arshid. This is good comeback by the bowler. Third delivery. Score remains on 149 for the loss of 1. The partnership moves on 149. This is great partnership between the two batsmen Mohammad Aqib and Khaki Ajaz. सरदर्द बनता हुआ एपिक ब्लास्टर्स के बॉलर्स के लिए. Arshid again to the batsman Khaki Ajaz. Oh, the batsman wants to hit this ball, but this is great delivery. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicketkeeper. The score remains on 149 for the loss of 1. This is high voltage match today between YCCL versus Epic Blasters shoes. This is again Archie to the batsman Khaki Ajaz. Oh, this is great shot, and this is century for Khaki Ajaz. Very well luck played by the batsman Khaki Ajaz. This is the second century of this batsman in this tournament. Khaki Ajaz, very well luck. Century in 38 deliveries with the help of 11 sixes and 6 fours. This is the batsman, very dangerous for Epic Blasters Yal today. Very well luck. 102 runs in 38 deliveries. Khaki Ajaz, very well luck. Tarif ke haqdar fans of Khaki Ajaz. Love from the fans to Khaki Ajaz. क्यों ना हो, क्योंकि एक अच्छी इनिंग्स यहाँ पे खेली आज खाकी एजाज ने. 218 रन्स was the target, but this batsman make very well easy to his team. "34 runs to win this match." This is again good shot, but at the end very good fielding. The two batsmen take only a single. With this single, the score moves to 185 for the loss of one. Now they need only 33 runs in 41 deliveries. After 13.2 overs, the score is 185 for the loss of one. This is Khaki Ejaz, he's on 26, 126, and Muhammad Akib, he's on 45. This is a 185 runs partnership. This is Rashid again to the batsman Khaki Ejaz. Here is a chance of a catch, but the two batsmen take only a single. With this single, now they need only 32 runs in 40 deliveries. एक अच्छी पारी का मुजाहरा यहाँ पे खाकी एजाज के पल्ले से 127 रन्स इन 46 डिलीवरीज. मोहम्मद आकिब इज ऑन 45. दिस इज अगेन गुड शॉट. धनधनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से पार 4 रन मोहम्मद आकिब के पल्ले से. ही मूव्स टू 49 रन्स फॉर मोहम्मद आकिब. नाउ दे नीड ओनली 28 रन्स टू विन दिस मैच. आज का मुकाबला बड़ा मुकाबला था, लेकिन नेटवर्क इशू की प्रॉब्लम की वजह से आज लाइव पार कट गया. उसके लिए हम आपसे माजरत का है. आज वी आर वेरी सॉरी टुडे फॉर दिस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट टुडे. Again good shot. This is 50 for the batsman Muhammad Akib. Very well locked by batsman Muhammad Akib. आज तारीफ के लायक है दो बल्लेबाज मोहम्मद आकिब एंड एजाज खाकी. The partnership is on 196. The score already on 196 run for the loss of one. Only one wicket of Mehdi Hussain. Now they need 22 runs in 37 deliveries. This is powerful knock today by Khaki Ejaz, and also very well knock played by Muhammad Akib. He completed his 50 in 35 deliveries. This is huge 6 on the bowling of Arshid. Lala, do you make your story start? I go here. Catch your phones, Garma, she has a bunt on us. I was going live with so. This is again Arshid to the batsman Muhammad Akib. The batsman wants to hit this ball again, but very well delivery. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicketkeeper. No run score remains on 196. Mir Irfan, wow, what a knock y'all playing today. This is a very well knock play today by Ejaz Khaki. 127 runs in 46 deliveries, and Muhammad Akib 55 in 35 deliveries. 218 runs given target by Epic Blasters. This was a huge total, but Ejaz Khaki made it very easy for his team. 127 runs in 46 deliveries by Khaki Ejaz. 22 runs in 36 deliveries. आज तारीफ करनी होगी इन दो बल्लेबाजों की। एक अच्छा टारगेट दिया था एपी ब्लास्टर्स शूज ने भी। 218 runs is already huge total here, but this is very well locked today by Ejaz Khaki and Muhammad Akib. Khaki is on strike again, very well shot played by the batsman. This is very well fielding by Asif Pandit. The two batsmen complete only a single here. Now they need only 21 runs in 35 deliveries, and they have 30. He is on 128 runs, Khaki Ejaz. Now Muhammad Akib, he is on 55. They have 9 wickets in hand. Irfan Ali, congratulations to Akib bro. Thank you Irfan Ali for joining us with this live broadcast. This is again this is a good delivery by Muhammad Yunus. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicketkeeper. The score remains on 197. 21 runs in 34 deliveries. The team who win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 third edition played at Chukatul Bagh ground. This is Muhammad Yunus to the batsman. Muhammad Akib plays very well shot. Tanda rehta hua. Seema rekha se bahar 6 run. This is huge 6 by the batsman Muhammad Akib. Now he's on fire. They need 15 runs to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify for the semi-finals of the T20 Super Cup third played at Chukatul Bagh ground. This is a good partnership. 203 runs partnership between the two, Khaki Ejaz and Muhammad Akib. Again, Muhammad Yunus to the batsman Muhammad Akib. Oh, again good shot. धंधन आता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 6 रन और एक 6 रन दर्ज किया मोहम्मद आकिब ने अपने टीम के लिए अपने खाते में. The score moves to 209. Now they need only 9 runs to qualify in the semi-finals. They need only 9 runs only to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals. This is a high voltage match. The total target was given by AP Blasters, huge total 218, but the batsman Khaki and Muhammad Akib, they made it very easy for his team. They lost only 1 wicket. They have 209 on board. Now they need only 9 runs to win this match. This is again Muhammad Yunus to the batsman Muhammad Akib. Oh, this is wicket here. But this is great knock, great partnership between the two batsmen. They need only 9 runs to win this match. So this is end up Muhammad Akib. Very well locked today played by the batsman Muhammad Akib. Rupaman Mir, Maro, thank you Rumisa for joining us. Yawar Ahmad Teli, good luck by Akib at Ejaz. Thank you Akib Teli Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. Dar Yasin Akib, ek 6 apne ghar ki taraf maro. Thank you Dar Yasin Saab for your love to Akib. Really Akib plays very well locked today. Bowler is Zuhur Yal. Akhtar. Last ball. Now the new batsman is Zuhur Yal. They need only 9 runs to qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukatul Bagh ground. This is very well knocked today by Muhammad Akib and Ejaz Khaki. 209 runs partnership between the two batsmen. High voltage match. The two batsmen made it easy for his team. 218 runs was already also huge total here. But this is well knocked by Ejaz Khaki and Muhammad Akib. Now Muhammad Yunus, he is on his last delivery to the batsman Zuhur Yal. Oh, the batsman wants to hit this ball. But after 15 overs, the score is 209. आज तारीफ करनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज खाकी एजाज की. He is on 128 runs. Dangerous batsman Khaki Ejaz, powerful hitter. He is one of the most talented, aggressive, powerful batsmen for YCC Yawl. Now Shaukat Ahmad, Irfan Ali Chobha. Thank you Irfan Ali Saab for your love to YCC Yawl. Really he plays the two batsmen Muhammad Akib and Ejaz Khaki plays very well partnership today. 209 runs partnership between the two batsmen Ejaz Khaki and Muhammad Akib. Now they need only 9 runs in 29 deliveries and they have 8 wickets in hand. The batsman wants to play hit the shot, but this is great delivery by Shaukat Ahmad. Dot delivery, no run. 28 deliveries and they need only 9 runs to win this match. Good shot played by the batsman Khaki Ejaz. आज तारीफ करनी होगी इन दो बल्लेबाज खाकी एजाज और मोहम्मद आकिब की. Now they need only 8 runs to win this match. Oh, this is 6. Very good shot played by the batsman Zuhurial. This is huge 6 by the batsman Zuhurial. Now they need only 2 runs to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup third edition. आज मजा आया इस मैच में. एक बड़ा मुकाबला था दो बड़ी टीमों के दरमियान. But great batting today by Ejaz Khaki and Mohammad Akib. Now 2 runs to win this match. Oh, this is a single here. Score is level. Now they need only 1 run to win this match. Oh, this is the end of this match. Win for YCCL. Very good knock played by the batsman Ejaz Khaki. Very well knocked today played by the batsman Ejaz Khaki and Mohammad Akib. So this is end of this match. And YCCL, they qualify in the semi-finals. Best of luck to all the two teams, AB Blaster, Shoes and YCCL. But this is a great knock today played by the batsman Ejaz Khaki and Mohammad Akib. So this is end of this match. Win for YCCL. Ejaz Khaki. This is very well knocked today played by the batsman Ejaz Khaki. And they qualify the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup at Chukatulba ground. क्या बस है low total at this pitch, but this is huge total here. आपकी तारीफ करनी होगी. एक अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज. और this is Lala.
पहले इसके लिए ठोक डाली. एक सवाल मैं आपसे करना चाहता हूँ. 218 टारगेट था. क्या मन में चल रहा था? क्योंकि शूज बिग बॉस शूज वो टीम है जिसने इससे पहले ट्रैक कर लिया था. तो बड़ा दबाव वाला मैच था. आपके माइंड में क्या चल रहा था? आपके पास पहली गेम पे पहले